Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with a journal share. These two journals are mostly blank journals, and they come with, I just put these little Tim Holtz people in here on top of each one of these, and I left this a little bigger so you can write whatever you want in it and then slide it back in. You can like cut it down and put it back inside there, but I left it big enough so you can, I don't know which one of these went where, but but I left them both big enough so you could take them out, write on them, or write on them and then cut them down and, replace them, whatever you want to do with them. Um, they're both one signature, and as you can see, they have the corners on them. They come with the boho bead and the dangle tassel. This one has a button, a key, some lace, and a bead. And this one has a little heart locket, a button, a bead, and then this velvet fabric, and then a tassel. And let's see, these are like, you can move them wherever you want to move them to. It's glued right here, but you can move it over here if you want. But let's go inside. Oh, and they both come with a bag of goodies, which I'll show you here in a second. I put one of these paper beads right here just to hold the lace in place, and you can slide tags or something underneath there if you wanted. And they all have the cotton trim on the spine, and this is also loose so you can put tags or whatever underneath there as well. And yeah, I sewed around. This is just some cardstock. I can't remember. It's just stuff I had it loose in my my cabinet over there. And inside this one, they're kind of stiff because they've been closed for so long, but they'll like loosen up as you use it. And this one has one of the velvet pocket in the front. This is so soft. Jennifer Gates sent me this, I believe. Or I don't remember, but it was gifted to me and I super love it. So I just sewed around it and stuck it in here for a pocket. And it has a very large tag, a piece of a printable journal, and then this vintage photo, and a little journaling booklet here. I just wanted to make something out of just the random pages that I have over there, so this is what I came up with. They have authentic vintage ephemera inside, and coffee dyed pages. This one has these two. I super love this one. It was a card, but I cut the birthday thing out of it and I just left it like this so it could be used as a journaling card or whatever you wish. And I did sewing in here. This is a vintage letter, and there's some Daphne's Diary page and coffee dyed paper with this large collage tag that I made. I love these. Those are fun. Some other paper that I found at a garage sale, and this is a little pocket, but there's nothing inside. And over here is another little tuck spot with a journaling card and another piece of ephemera, printable ephemera. And this is an envelope. Inside is coffee dyed cardstock and journal for journaling. Get on in there. And then I just had this tucked inside. Some tracing paper. And this is out of a Floral Magazine vintage book. And this is Tsunami Rose, coffee dyed. Some vintage paper. Some little tags that I had left over that I just folded, corrugated, and tucked into the bag. And I think these are Artie Mae's. They've been sitting up top, and I'm pretty sure they're Artie Mae's. some grid paper. This is a napkin pocket with some journaling booklet inside. Some vintage music paper, a flip out, and this is a really old postcard. And this is a pocket with another collage tag behind it and a bookmark that my niece made. I just tuck those behind there like that, and inside you can put ephemera inside there. Flips out. The other side of the music paper. So they're mostly blank, but I did put some stuff inside. You know, lightly decorated. There you go. How about that? Because they do come with a bag of goodies to go with, so you can finish decorating as you wish. Another little pocket here for a tag. This flips out. I love this vintage letter. And over here is a large tag from Tsunami Rose. And this tag that I collaged on. And in the back, another pocket and two more large tags. Get in there. And there you go. The second one, I'll just flip through, and I won't show you every little, every little thing that's in the pockets, but it's basically the same layout. And this is the back of this one. And it's so stiff. I've had these done for like a month now. But here is the vintage photo that comes with this one of a lady. I love her. I love those vintage photos, and I have a ton of them. And they have the same pocket, velvet pockets on the front and the back. This one has a map, Italy. And I'll just flip through this one a little faster. If my hands will move the way I want them to. This one has two little journaling cards. Doily. This is Tsunami Rose. A large tag that I made from Edith Holden. And that is the Daphne's Diary page. Here is the pocket with the large journaling cards and tags. I put this white board underneath here because I have so much stuff on my desk. I didn't want to clean my desk. That's why I haven't been making videos, because I've been doing a lot of like tags and things, and so I have a hot mess everywhere, and I just didn't want to clean it up just to make another big fat mess. So I just covered it up with this board that I take photos on. This one also has a tag back here and a bookmark that my niece made, and it's also a pocket. This one has the vintage children's book page. This is, oopsie, don't rip it, Paula, the postcard that goes in this one. And on the other side, here is the journaling tag for that pocket. I like this page. It flips out. Tracing paper. The napkin pocket for this one. The grid paper. This is the flip out. It has the same journaling card inside. This one is these two little tags. I know I'm doing a horrible flip through on these ones, but I'm trying to do it fast. And there's some tags inside there. This flips out. Another little pocket in there. A large journaling tag. And these same tags in the back. And then this photo. And I think these photos are for Tsunami Rose. And that is that one. And I'll pour out one of these little goodie bags. They're basically around the same thing. I just threw a bunch of goodies in the bags because I have so much goodies floating around here. And I can never, ever, ever use them all. So I'll set these over here. And I'll just dump it all out. And hopefully you can see from afar. You get this cute little napkin. And just tons of tabs and a lot of butterflies and just bling and die cuts of all sorts. Just all sorts of goodies in here. More than what it looks like here, actually. But, yeah. And I've punched out so many of these tabs, and I know some of you ladies don't have that punch, so I like to throw some of those in there. And here's a couple of these little cute little tags that could hang off the side of your journal, or super cool for the fronts of the journals. Some bows, some flowers, just tons of, well, there's something else that's in there. Tons of goodies inside this little bag for your journal. And yeah, so that is what comes with these, and they are both available. And if you would like, you can contact me on my Facebook page, and I will give you the information for these. And thank you so much for watching and sticking with me. I know I'm not very, like, you know, I don't post all the time because I take care of my mom, but I do try to get some videos out there. I do have like 4 more videos coming up that I have to make for journals that I've made and just haven't had the time to do the videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all stay safe and have a wonderful day. Please subscribe if you're not already, and thank you so much if you are. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.